Hello everyone! Today, I'll introduce two radio boards from Puzhi's PZSDR series. P401D and P501D both adopt an ARM+FPGA heterogeneous architecture, with full hardware and software compatibility. The only difference is their main controllers. Each has two AD9361 RF chips, forming a 4T4R core structure, with industrial-grade design and easy integration via pre-reserved mounting holes. Let's check out the core performance. Both have 4-core Cortex-A53 and 2-core Cortex-R5 processors, with solid computing power. Key differences: P401D has 192,000 logic cells and 728 DSP slices. P501D is more powerful. Pick as needed. Same storage config: 2 GB DDR4, 8 GB eMMC, 256 MB QSPI flash. Easily stores boot and user data. RF performance is the highlight of both boards. Two AD9361 chips deliver 4T4R RF channels straight up. Strong transceiving power. 70 MHz to 6 GHz coverage. 200 kHz to 56 MHz bandwidth. 22 dBm power amp. SPDT RF switch. Super reliable. Clock accuracy is top-notch. Onboard 0.1 ppm 40MV Cortex-C EXO clock, plus external clock input. Two RF chips share the sync signal. Super stable sync. Super comprehensive interfaces. Industrial grade design. All external interfaces have ESP protection. Super safe. Key high-speed interfaces. 40G QSFP. Gigabit Ethernet. A USB 3.0 port. Mini DP output, SD card slot, and SSD slot. Plenty for data transfer and peripheral setup. Expansion and positioning, all covered. 40p expansion port, built-in GPS plus Baidu positioning, plus a dedicated PPS input. Super precise time sync. Two power options: XH 2.54 and DC007B ports. They're linked. Only plug in one power source. Also, a USB to JTAG UART debug port. 2x LED indicators plus a reset button. Super intuitive to use. Comes with a premium enclosure. Heat dissipation and protection in one for steady board operation. Custom logo for exclusive enclosure available. Kit designed, ready to use out of the box. We provide schematics, multiple routines. Compatible with various open-source software. Supports secondary development. For a quick start, ultra-wide application range. Ideal for mid to high frequency. Multi-channel data processing. Perfect for radar, GPS or GS. Spectrum monitoring. Drones. Medical. Internet. Cybersecurity. Test and measurement.